This is Module 6, Lesson 15, Problem Set Debrief. All right, so for problem 1, I used my set square to make sure my lines were perpendicular. Like here, is that perpendicular? No, because it's not, the line isn't straight against this edge to make a perpendicular line. All right, then here and here. So having some tools or even a ruler is a nice thing to have. Down below, in the space below, use your right triangle templates to draw at least 3 different sets of perpendicular lines. I used my set square to make sure that I was getting perpendicular lines. As long as you have this symbol right here, I have to assume that you know that is a perpendicular line, that you created a 90-degree line. You did the best you could. On the back, problem 3, draw a segment perpendicular to each given segment. Show your thinking by sketching triangle as needed. If you need to sketch the triangle, sketch the triangle. So I went straight through to find the perpendicular line. Here I sketched this one, and so the beauty here, it would be matching. Do you see how I match using the squares? And I did the same thing here. I matched the squares. From here to here would be a perfectly straight line. Then letter C, I drew the triangle, and from the 90 degrees, I used my set square here, and I matched the corners of those squares. I drew the triangle here, and then I used this one as my 90 degrees. Or down below, draw 2 different lines perpendicular to line E. So what I did is I created a square, and then I went from point to point for my perpendicular line, and then I went from point to point for that perpendicular line. So hopefully you did well, and you've got that idea of perpendicular. So here would be my perpendicular line. Here is my perpendicular line. As long as you're labeling it, it is considered a perpendicular line. All right, that's it for today.